There are many details to be done to protect dental health. The most important of these details is to brush your teeth regularly every day. Regular oral care is very important to protect dental health, gum health, and many dental-related conditions. The most well-known products produced in this context are toothpastes. In addition, mouth care waters, which have emerged in the last few years, are products with cleansing and refreshing properties that are used for teeth cleaning purposes. Mouthwashes, which have many benefits, should be used in optimal amounts. The ingredients inside may cause harm if used too much. Therefore, the person using mouthwash should definitely pay attention to the amount. Just like over-brushing your teeth, using too much mouthwash can damage tooth enamel. If used in a reasonable proportion, mouthwashes will provide maximum benefit. The benefits of mouthwash are realized with proper use. In general, the basic requirement for dental health and oral care is regular dental cleaning. Correct oral care from many points paves the way for healthy teeth and gums. The main purpose of mouthwashes is clean breath. It is known that toothpaste alone is not enough in terms of smell. Especially if you are someone who pays great attention to dental hygiene, the value you attach to mouthwash is also increasing. Preventable bad breath is a very common problem. In case of some odor problems that reach more advanced levels, a dentist should be consulted. Mouthwashes don't just freshen breath. In addition, it has a structure that benefits the gums. Mouthwashes are used to prevent dental problems, to prevent the formation of caries, and to eliminate dental problems. Using mouthwash is very easy. If you have a toothbrushing routine that you have created for yourself, you can also include the use of mouthwash in this routine. At this point, it is very important that you choose the most suitable toothbrush and toothpaste for yourself. Mouthwash is a product that should be used after thoroughly brushing your teeth. It would not be right to use mouthwash alone. Using mouthwash alone, it may mean that you do not get the required efficiency. You cannot get great results by using only mouthwash. An important detail to consider when using mouthwash is the length of time it is kept in the mouth. Generally, gargling takes between 30 seconds and 1 minute. In addition, mouthwashes are a product that can support you in the shortest possible time when you are unable to brush your teeth. Of course, although it is not a complete cleaning, it contributes to your oral hygiene. What amount of oral care water should be used? The usage rate of mouthwash is equal to the lid of the container containing the mouthwash. The amount of this cap is already used to indicate the amount of usage. This amount is quite sufficient. It should be used without needing too much. This cap is already a measure that tells you how much you should use. There is no need to go too much or go too little. Is it necessary to rinse the mouth after using mouthwash? There is no need to rinse after using mouthwash. In fact, this care water is intended to provide complete care in the mouth by rinsing. Therefore, after brushing your teeth thoroughly, it is necessary to gargle with mouthwash for at most 1 minute. There is no need to rinse the mouth with normal water after gargling. Mouth care waters, which generally do not leave a bad taste in the mouth, are one of the products that are very effective on their own. This video is for informational purposes only. We would like to emphasize the importance of consulting with your dentist to determine which treatment is most suitable for you. If you find our videos informative, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you healthy days.